Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. For the ones that don't know, Alpha Master is basically based on ChatGPT. I made the robot based on that one. I asked the question and I set up the robot. So this robot is pretty amazing. I have made so much money with this robot and I consider this robot my best robot. So this binary option robot you can have for free also. You can use the link you see up here right now and you can download this robot and get started today. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, put them below the video. Also, at the end of the video, I will show the win rate, all the trades, how much profit made, and all this good stuff. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And that's how we do it. $107, 4 trades, 4 winners, no losses, 100% win rate. Perfect. You can use this robot also. Just push this robot thing you see up there right now. Or you can just use the link you find below the video and you can download this robot and get started today also.